start in your suffering patterns because now you have this $140,000 of student loan debt you got to pay off. And that's like 20 years of your life paying that off.
And also when you're in crisis mode, you're only seeing the problem. You get tunnel vision, you start panicking, you start freaking out. You're not able to see the solution. But if you calm your system down and you take a deep breath and you calm yourself down, you can open the window to see, I have other options. There are things that I can do. And that's what sets somebody apart from that actually can take a situation and improve it versus going down because of a negative situation that's holding them back. And there are people that, just like you, didn't have any money growing up, but yet somehow they figured out how to improve their lives or make money. Nowadays with online, you don't even need the education. You don't even need to go to school to be able to make a lot of money. There's so many other options available for people. It's a matter of what they're willing to do.
Right. And then again, I say that you want to do something that's more behind your passion and your purpose, not just because it gives you a good paycheck, because a good paycheck will only last for so long and eventually you're going to burn out if it's not in alignment with you.
Exactly. Yeah. And a lot of people go into debt, going to college, trying to get a degree, and then that degree is in like fine arts. Like, right?
Well, and then that's where you start in your suffering patterns because now you have this $140,000 of student loan debt you got to pay off. And that's like 20 years of your life paying that off. And so that also goes for younger people who are watching this, like going, there are more than one ways to design how to get your college education. You don't have to do it by selling your soul from a debt structure standpoint. There are more employers out there today that would rather you work with them right out of high school and then they'll pay for your college education because they want you trained. They have done studies now that if they took someone who went to Yale or Harvard and brought them into a big consulting firm after they graduate college, it takes the same amount of training to mold them into who they want as it does an 18-year-old coming out of college and getting their degree as they work. It's the same number of years to mold them in terms of how the company wants them to work. So
and there are jobs that people think that they look down on it, like plumbing, or being an electrician, even being a garbage man. Those people make a lot of money, but people look down on it. And I'm like, it doesn't take that much education to go and become a plumber or an electrician. And you can probably start working in 9 to 12 months, but it's just a matter of choices people are making, right? I think these other jobs that people look down on that are actually so needed, like landscaping. Like somebody that's good at landscaping, how much in demand they are. Plumbing, electrician, HVAC, all of those people that can make a ton of money. So there's no excuses to be stuck in a job you don't like. Change jobs, do something.
Just do it because you love it.
Yeah.
You know, I had one gentleman, he was an executive with, back in the day, Lucent Technologies. When he retired, he was starting to get sick and he wasn't ready to retire because he was laid off in his mid-50s. And I said, you know what? All I've heard you all these years talk about is how you remodeled your house and you remodeled the coach house on your property and you remodeled the garage and there's a rental unit up. I go, you need to go like remodel places or something like that in your retirement because this is where your passion is. You know, it wasn't building the technology stuff or Lucent Technology and pushing paper. And, you know, he's that old guy to this day. He's in his 80s. And he's that old guy you walk into Menards and he knows every answer of how to fix everything in your house. And he loves it. He absolutely loves it because that's who he is. And I swear it's added years onto his life.
Yeah. Yeah. Because a lot of people, I've seen it firsthand when I used to work in the school system, and these poor teachers, they work so hard. And as soon as they retire, within a year or two, they're dying because they really had no opportunity to enjoy that like once you retire, you're not fulfilled in the ways that you were when you're working. So a lot of people do end up just getting random jobs just to keep working. Not necessarily that they need the money, but that they're feeling useful. There's a purpose to what they're doing.
Do you want to experience free coaching based on my 25 plus years as being a financial planner and ask me any question that you want to ask me to help you get past that hurdle in your financial world? I run these free workshops every other month to start to open you up to start to help you get to this next place. The information for my free workshop, click the link below and register, and I'll see you on the next workshop.